Question 30b. On a tray, there are 12 hard-centered chocolates, H, and 8 soft-centered chocolates, S. 2 chocolates are selected at random. A partially completed probability tree is shown. What is the probability of selecting one of each type of chocolate? Okay, thankfully, this one's very straightforward. So if the probability in the first draw of picking a hard-centered chocolate is 12 on 20, to pick a soft-centered chocolate should be then the complement of 12 on 20. So should the two probabilities in each stage should add up to 1. So it's going to be 8 on 20. Since there are 12 hard-centered chocolates, 8 soft-centered chocolates, and out of a total of 20 chocolates. Now, we've drawn one of the chocolates out. How many chocolates are there left? There should be 19 because it's without replacement. So even though it doesn't say without replacement, it's assumed 2 chocolates are selected at random. You don't put the chocolate back, right? So it's going to be now out of 19 for the remaining chocolates. Okay, because now there's 19 chocolates left, okay, in the box or in the tray. Now, if we've selected a hard-centered chocolate, so from there were 12 originally, how many do we have left? We've now got 11. So 11 out of 19, that leaves us 8 out of 19 soft-centered chocolates. This is for the second draw now, or the second stage. Now, likewise, for the first pick, or the first stage being a soft-centered chocolate, we've had 8 soft-centered chocolates to begin with. We've chosen one of these, then you've got 7 left. That leaves 12 hard-centered chocolates then to choose from. So I think a lot of the work is in just completing the probability tree. Once you've done that, let's now proceed to answer the question based on the conditions given, or whatever the favoured event is, which is selecting one of each type of chocolate. That means we can either have a hard-centered, soft-centered, so let's just put an asterisk there, or we can have choose a soft-centered and then a hard-centered chocolate there. So these are the two probabilities. So the probability of a H, HS, or SH, okay, hard, soft, or soft, hard, okay, is equal to, now we multiply along the probability, along the branches of the tree. So we'll do the HS first, so that's going to be 12 over 20 multiplied by 8 over 19 plus SH. So 8 over 20 multiplied by 12 over 19. Okay, so let's evaluate that and see what we come up with. Okay, so 12 on 20 multiplied by 8 over 19 plus 8 on 20 multiplied by 12 over 19. And we get 48 over 95. And that's approximately equal to, so we're going to convert that as a percentage. It doesn't actually say in the question to answer in percentage form. Always answer in fraction form, but let's just convert it into a percentage anyway, just sort of get an idea of what this is. So it's around 50.5%. Okay, so which is roughly 50.5% chance.